Okay, so what I'm going to show you how to do is remove an exterior door lock and replace the cylinder key. This happens to be a single cylinder. In other words, the key is on one side, the outside, the inside is a deadbolt. This is a deadbolt. You can see that in the camera. So I've already removed 3 of the screws, save a little time. And there's the 4th one. We take this off like this. We reveal the plate that holds the deadbolt on the outside. Okay, so you're only working from the inside. Remove these 2 screws like so. I put a prop down at the door so I can keep the door open. You'll need to support the other side of the deadbolt when you get these 2 screws out. There's 1. And they're fairly long, but very easy to take out. So I'll put my hand behind here to support this as I take this one out. Alright, we take the plate off. You see how that 2 tangs go up? Okay. And we pull out the whole deadbolt lock cylinder part. And here we have it. Here, let me make sure you're looking at this or able to see it. That's what it looks like. There's the tang on it. Right there. Okay. So then I'm going to, you can see this part. That's the screw that holds it all together. And you must remove that. Take that screw out. And then you can remove this whole. This is where the key fits in. Okay. I'm going to put it back in because I'm not really changing any, but if I had another one, I would just grab it and put it in here the same way. Like so. How it fits. Again, I hope that looks all right on camera. Like so. And we keep the tang straight up and down because that means that the latch on the deadbolt will be sideways. It's kind of the opposite of what you think. Okay, now we're going to put this back in from the outside, but we've got to screw this down. And again, you must remember to put that screw in or it won't work. Like so. That holds everything in place and snug that down tight. That. Okay. Now, the other thing is when this puts in, you got to make sure, see if you put it in like this, you can't, the deadbolt will not work. So you got to put it in the other way, straight up and down. Turn it clockwise. That way, you turn that like so, everything functions properly. So now that we got that like that, we come in the front here and insert it into the cross up and down vertically. Okay, then we put this back on. I'm trying to do this fairly fast, so it's a short video. Once you get that first one under your belt, it goes pretty good. If you follow these instructions, I had to kind of learn the hard way. No YouTube video. See those lip fits in here like that? Just like this. Tighten these screws up. They don't have to be over tight. Just snug. And they might come loose after 20 years. Alright. Then, of course, we reinstall this, and you want to put that square right there. That tang obviously goes in there, in that square hole. And this is what you keep vertical, as the door is on lock. Let's see if I can get this in there fairly quick. It's not always easy to do both, but we'll see. There we go. Screw the 4 screws back in, and you're finished. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, click down the bottom.